Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is gamma distribution. In this lecture we are going to learn the central moments of a gamma distribution. So let us start with moments about mean, or they are also known as central moments. If x follow a gamma distribution with parameter theta and n, then the central moment of gamma distribution is defined as mu r is equal to expectation of x minus expected value of x raised to r. Here expectation x is the mean of random variable x. There are two methods to calculate the central moments of any distribution. The first method is by the method of integration, and the second method is we can use the relation between raw moments and central moments to obtain the central moments. In case of gamma distribution, we shall use the relation between raw moments and central moments to obtain the central moments of gamma distribution. We know that mu1, the first central moment, is always 0. The second central moment mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. This is the relation between raw and central moment. In the previous lecture we have already learned how to calculate the raw moments and what are the raw moments of gamma distribution. We shall use the values of raw moments from the previous lecture to calculate the central moments in this lecture. So I will substitute the second raw moment about origin, which we have learned in the previous lecture, and that is n plus 1 upon theta square. Similarly, by putting the first raw moment about origin, and which is n by theta bracket square, I am taking n upon theta square common, then it is n plus 1 minus n, and which is equal to mu2 is equal to n upon theta square into 1, since here n and minus n get cancelled, so it is 1. Therefore the second central moment mu2 is equal to n by theta square, which is nothing but variance of random variable x, that we have already calculated in the mean and variance of gamma distribution. If student want to learn the previous lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is given in the description box. Now we shall start with calculating the third central moment by using the third relation between raw and central moment. Mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus twice mu1 dash cube. These relations between raw and central moment we have already learned in the first year of BSc course. Student must remember and memorize all these relations in order to obtain the central moments from the raw moments. I will substitute the values of raw moments. We get mu3 dash is n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by theta cube minus 3 into the second central moment is n plus 1 divided by theta square, and first raw moment is n by theta. Similarly here 2 into n upon theta cube. To simplify this, we shall take a common factor n upon theta cube. From each term we get n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus 3 n into n plus 1 plus twice n square. By taking common factor outside the bracket, it will help us to simplify a equation in less time with less efforts. That's why we have to take constants from the equation. Now I will multiply all this bracket inside the bracket, and I will simplify it as mu 3 is equal to n upon theta cube into bracket, it is n square plus twice n plus n plus 2 minus 3n square minus 3n plus 2n square. We shall collect n square terms. We will get 3n square plus 3n plus 2 minus 3n square minus 3n. This 3n square and this 3n square cancel, 3n and 3n cancel, only 2 is remaining. So it is mu 3, the third central movement, is equal to 2n divided by theta square, theta cube. This is the value of third central moment of gamma distribution with parameter theta and n. Now we use the fourth relation to obtain the fourth central moment. Mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash raised to 4. By substituting all the values of raw moments from the previous lecture, we will get n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 divided by theta raised to 4. This is the value of mu 4 dash minus 4 into n plus 1, n plus 2 divided by theta cube. This is mu 3 dash, and n by theta, which is mu 1 dash. Similarly 6 into n plus 1 divided by theta square into n by theta bracket square minus 3 n upon theta raised to 4. By taking a constant n by theta raised to 4, we get n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 minus 4n, n plus 1, n plus 2 plus 6n square into n plus 1 minus 3n cube. In the next step, we will multiply all these brackets and we will simplify this expression. After simplifying all the multiplications of the bracket, inside the bracket we get, it comes out to be n by theta raised to 4 into 3n plus 6, which is equal to mu 4 is equal to n upon theta raised to 4 into 3 into n plus 2. So it is 3n n plus 2 divided by theta raised to 4, which is the value of mu 4, the fourth central moment of a gamma distribution with parameters theta and n. In this way, we obtain the central moments from the relation between raw moments and central moments. One can obtain the central moments by definition and with the help of integration. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is central moment and how to obtain central moment in case of gamma distribution. If a student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. Further, the students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel in order to learn the upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. In the previous lectures, we have already covered many more topics from the statistics subject on the Learn Statistics channel. If student want to refer all that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. If students face some problems or query, then please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.